Hi guys, welcome back to my channel after a short break. For those who don't know me yet, my name is Victoria and I'm a master lash and brow artist and trainer for London Lash Pro. Today I filmed for you a lash styling using easy fanning lashes. I think that might be interesting for you to watch for a few reasons. So first, easy fanning lashes are a great way to speed up your work. They are relatively new, so still need some improvements, but I really like working with them, especially if I'm creating a wispy look. Second, I will show you how to style difficult eye shape, which is a small, narrow, hooded and deep set of eyes. So hopefully that will help you in the future if you ever happen to have a client with this type of eyes. But first, a quick reminder to subscribe, like and share this video, and please leave a comment if you enjoyed watching it and if you have any suggestions for my next videos. Okay, so as usual, I start with preparing lashes for the treatment, and I'm using my favorite lash shampoo, Big Sister by Monica Z. Again, links to all products I'm using can be found under the video, together with 10% discount code. I really recommend this shampoo as it has great properties that will help you improve the retention. This shampoo has an alkaline pH that opens hair cuticles and provides better bonding with the glue. To wash the product off, I'm using warm tap water. Right, so now a little bit about the styling for difficult eyes. When we work with hooded deep set of eyes, the first thing we need to consider is the curl. Any strong curls will either irritate the eyelid or will disappear covered by the skin fold or strong bonds. So our main goal here is to bring out the eye and the lashes, and we can achieve that using softer curls like J or C. Today I have chosen London Lash Pro Easy Fanning Lashes in C curl. Also, if we are using strong curls on hooded eyes, chances are we will make the eyelid look even more heavy, and that will definitely not complement our model. Now the styling and the volume. So because our model has a closed set of eyes with really low bone structure, I have chosen square to dolly styling and very light volume in 0.05 thickness to add more flutter to the look and don't overload the eyelid, as all big volumes will look very heavy on this type of eye. And easy fanning lashes will be a great choice here as well, as we will be able to create this delicate wispy look. Remember that the styling for this type of eyes need to be delicate, need to be fluttery and light, so it's always better to choose slightly thinner lashes. Next step in the preparation is the bio cleaner, also by Monica Z. I love the rosemary one as it has moisturizing properties, so it speeds up the drying time of the glue. If you would like to find out more about these products, check out my previous video. You can find the link above, just here. I always like to have a mapping done whenever I'm working on a new set. So now I'm going to draw the square to dolly map on the eye patches. A little bit about easy fanning lashes and how to work with them. So you will definitely need small tip tweezer. I'm using Dumont, but I find London Lash Pro multifunctional tweezers also really good when it comes to building a fan and working with these type of lashes. I think all chunky tweezers are too big, you will end up grabbing too many lashes and your fans will be too big and too heavy. So choose the tweezers with small delicate tip. They will also require a little bit of practice before, and if you are a beginner to volume lashes, I wouldn't recommend using them, as they are made for more experienced lash technicians, basically to speed up their work. So if you are a beginner, I would suggest starting with maybe premade fans and practicing volume techniques before you move on to working with easy fanning lashes. I'm also working on another video when I talk more about the easy fanning lashes and the premades, and I'm comparing these two products, so stay tuned as you might find this video, the next video I'm working on, very useful. When I lash, I like to work lash to lash, but if you are not very experienced, I would recommend you to work in sections and focus mainly on filling inner outer corners and the bottom layers, as these are the parts that are most visible for our clients and they pay most attention when they look at the set of lashes you've done for them. When you're starting, you don't have to fill every single lash. Obviously that's a goal, but don't put too much pressure on yourself, and I always tell my students to set a time and fill as many lashes as they can within, like, for example, 2 or 2.5 hours. This way they don't get too discouraged straight away and their clients don't have to spend too much time on the lash treatment. The more experienced you become, the more lashes you will be able to fill within this 2 hours or 2.5 hours, so don't put too much pressure on yourself. And here's also my pro tip: the full volume set of lashes still takes me around 3 hours, so don't listen to lash technicians that are telling you that you should be able to finish the volume lashes in less than 2 hours. And now my favorite moment: quick cleanup and gently removing all pieces of tape and eye patches. Let me know how did you like the video and what do you think of the final effect. I personally love working with easy fanning lashes, but I'm super curious to know your opinion and how do you enjoy working with them. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so I know if you are enjoying what I do. You can also find me on Instagram, Victoria_LondonLashPro. That's all for today. Hope you will have a great week. I promise I'm gonna see you sooner than last time, so the new video is on its way. Thank you once again for watching. Bye.